Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today I'm going to be replacing an iPhone 6s Plus screen. I'm going to be using the XF5 screens, which compares to the OEM. And then also I'm going to be putting on the seal around the phone and also a tempered glass. So I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and then show you the final result. And as I always say, if I can't do it in under 20 minutes, it's free. So here we go. And we are done. So 12 minutes and 22 seconds. This is just a protector so the screen doesn't get scratched during shipping. So we have the water seal, or not the water seal, the factory seal. The iPhone 7 on up is the ones that have the water seal. The 6s and the 6s Plus just have the regular seals. But this is OEM grade screens. We only use the highest quality screens. So the vibrancy, the blacks, the whites, they're going to be all richer than aftermarkets. So it's going to look exactly like the OEM. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, factory unlock, so you can go to different carrier. If you were on AT&T and you wanted to go to T-Mobile, if you're on Sprint and you wanted to go to Metro, things like that, we do it all. And we work on Samsungs as well. We do tutorials on Final Cut Pro, Photoshop, and even Mac OS. So check out our website. I'll leave a link in the description below. And as well, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. We truly appreciate that. On social media, go ahead and mute that. Share it on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, things like that. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll be back shortly with more videos. I'll see you guys soon.